Today we're replacing the decking on a stretch of boardwalk near Morning Glory Pool in Yellowstone's Upper Geyser Basin. Every year, millions of people walk these paths to see geysers and hot springs up close. This boardwalk has been here for decades, and the decking has worn down, so it's time for an upgrade. We start by pulling up the old planks, taking care not to disturb the fragile ground beneath. Then we set the new boards in place. It's a team effort. Some of us haul the old boards out and bring in new composite decking, while others drill and fasten them securely. By the end of the day, visitors will walk a brand new stretch of boardwalk leading right to the edge of one of Yellowstone's most famous hot springs. With support from Yellowstone Forever, we're making this trail safer, more accessible, and ready for millions of footsteps in the years ahead. It feels good knowing we're leaving something that will last, and that YCC enrollees can return to and share with friends and family for years to come. I'm Addie Harrold, crew leader with Yellowstone's Youth Conservation Corps.
Hi, Grandma.